Hey, it's Greg Rainbolt. If you're an entrepreneur who's ever hit that 2 p.m. wall brain fog, zero motivation, questioning every business decision, this video is for you. In 2026, the smartest founders aren't just grinding harder, they're actually fixing the one thing that controls energy, mood, and even decision making quality, their gut. Right? I've built and scaled multiple businesses over the last 30 plus years. And the biggest performance upgrade I ever made wasn't a new tool, wasn't a new strategy, it was healing my gut. So today, I'm giving you my complete 2026 gut health protocol. It's battle tested, simple, and designed for busy entrepreneurs. So stick around to the end for the exact 30-day plan, and that actually gave me nonstop energy and sharper focus than I actually even had in my 30s. So, first, the science and the trends. In 2026, it's going to be the year that the gut brain axis is going full mainstream. 70 to 80% of your serotonin, the feel good neurotransmitter that stabilizes mood and focus, is actually produced in your gut, not your brain. So, poor gut health, it creates systemic inflammation that travels to the brain, causing fog, fatigue, anxiety, and poor decisions. Exactly what kills momentum for entrepreneurs and founders, right? So, even more powerful though, research now links a healthy microbiome to three critical markers every high performer should really know about. So, better vagus nerve function. The vagus nerve is really the main communication highway between your gut up to the brain, right? It's a strong toned vagus nerve system that calms inflammation, improves mood regulation, and helps recovery faster from stress. And then also, you have a higher heart rate variability. HRV, or heart rate variability, measures the variation between heartbeats. A higher heart rate variability is stronger vagus nerve activity, equals better stress resilience, faster recovery, and sustained energy throughout the day. A low HRV is common in like burnout, right? So if you want improved executive function, this is your brain's CEO. Your planning focus, impulse control, working memory, creative problem solving. Gut inflammation impairs it all. A diverse microbiome supports it through reduced inflammation and direct neurotransmitter signaling. So actually, I learned it the hard way. Um, Early on in my business days, I lived on coffee, deadlines, and takeout. Energy crashes, anxiety spikes, they all stalled my growth. So once I fixed my gut, everything shifted. I had a better stable mood, better risk assessment, creative breakthroughs began happening time and time again. So, guys, it's not hype. This is a quiet competitive edge top performers are using right now. And actually, in my 40s, after scaling my first big venture, I hit rock bottom. Had chronic fatigue, IBS symptoms. I really couldn't think straight in meetings, and doctors just shrugged whenever I went to them. So I dove into functional medicine and began experimenting for years. The real turning point began when I began to add daily fermented foods and simple lifestyle tweaks. And within 90 days, there was no more crashes. I had better sleep, and I launched my most profitable online business yet. Your gut isn't just about digestion, it's your second brain. So you want to treat it right. It pays massive, massive dividends in business and longevity. So let's break this down into really three phases. All right. Phase one is a reset, days 1 through 7. We want to remove inflammation triggers, cut ultra processed foods like seed oils, excess sugars, and definitely the alcohol for 7 days. You want to have like daily fermented dose of a half a cup to 1 cup of homemade milk kefir first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Use kefir because it has symbiotic grains that liver like 30 to 60 more diverse bacterial yeast strains. Like they're far more potent than your typical 3 to 5 strains in most yogurts. So the more strains equals a greater microbiome diversity, stronger gut-brain signaling, better inflammation control, and really deeper longevity benefits. So the homemade maximizes potency and avoids the added sugars too. So don't get it at the store. Then you want to have hydration. You want to add minerals, like I add a half a teaspoon of sea salt to that first liter of water that I have every morning. And that really helps support my adrenals and my electrolyte balance, the sodium potassium levels. And then phase two is the rebuilding phase, days 8 through 30. Add prebiotic fibers like oats, cooled potatoes, rice, which is a resistant starch, green bananas, flax seeds, and chia seeds. These really feed that good bacteria, guys. The next one I call the diversity challenge. You're going to eat 30 different plants per week. And if you can't get it, then you can supplement, but fix the food first, right? The American Gut Project found people eating 30 plus unique plants weekly had dramatically more diverse microbiomes linked to lower inflammation, better mood, and longer health span. It's really one of the strongest predictions of gut resilience that we have today. So we also want to activate the migrating motor complex, or the MMC, by walking 10 to 20 minutes after your largest meal. So really, it's a simple way. Your MMC is your gut's natural housekeeping system. It sweeps out like bacteria, debris between meals. It helps prevent stagnation and really overgrowth of that bad bacteria. And if your budget allows, add in like a soil-based probiotic. It's more resilient strains than butyrate sources. And then add in like ghee for colon health. It's a supplement. And then phase three, you got to maintain it for life, guys. This is sustainable. So just keep kefir or rotate ferments like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha throughout the day. And then you want to be able to include stress management, 5 minutes of vagus nerve breathing twice a day, or it's called box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, right? This shifts you into what we call a natural parasympathetic dominant mode: rest, digest, heal. The gut heals and absorbs nutrients best when you're calm and not like, all stressed out. So we definitely want to track these wins, right? We want to journal every day, energy levels on a scale of 1 to 10, decision clarity, and then our sleep quality. Track those things, right? This will help dramatically. And then some of the common mistakes I made when I first got started and how you can avoid them is really the first mistake I made, like I mentioned earlier, was buying expensive store-bought kefir. It's weak strains and it has added sugar. So just make it yourself. It's about $10 for the starter kit and it lasts forever. The number two mistake I made was jumping straight into supplements before fixing the food. You really want to fix that food first if you can. And then number three mistake was ignoring my stress and my sleep, right? Your gut really can't heal if you're chronically sympathetic or in that fight or flight response all the time. You want to be calm and relaxed. So what are some of the results you can expect, right? This is what we want to get to. What are the benefits? Week one, you should experience better digestion, fewer cravings, food cravings. Weeks 2 through 4, more stable energy, mood lifts, become happier. Months 2 through 3, a little bit better, sharper focus. Creativity spikes easier, like weight management, like if you're taking a GLP-1 without taking a harmful GLP-1. We're doing it naturally, guys. Okay, so let me give you a real life example. One founder I coached followed this plan for 60 days, and he later closed his biggest deal because he could finally think clearly under pressure in those 60 days. So, guys, gut health isn't just wellness, it's longevity and business performance hack. All right, remember that. So there it is, guys. My complete 2026 gut health protocol for entrepreneurs just like you who want sustainable energy, sharper decisions, and longevity, right? That's where it's at. So get started now. Start tonight. Order your kefir grains. I linked it below. Clear the junk food out. Commit to 30 days. Your future breakthroughs are waiting on the other side of a healthy gut. So if this helped, guys, smash the like button. It pushes us to more driven founders like yourself. And then subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. I drop new health strategies on a weekly basis, usually on Thursdays. And so please also comment gut below if you're starting this protocol, and I'll reply to you guys specifically with some extra tips that'll definitely help you. And just to end it with, let's thrive longer and stronger in 2026. I'll see you in the next one.